National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Flore County in southeastern Oklahoma until 8:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:35 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Octavia, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Octavia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.